Okay, so we're just going to start right here, and pretty much right in the middle of the seat. You just want to get a screwdriver and stick it straight in where you'll hit a button. Okay, so just pushing that in and lift the seat up and out. Okay, next we're going to fold the seat down, and you're just going to remove all of these pins here. Okay, so go all the way down, remove them all. Okay, next you're going to remove this panel here, so it's just these three, I think they're 8mm bolts. Remove this out. Okay, then just put a screwdriver behind these and pull these ones out as well. Might even be able to do it by hand. Okay, lift this panel here. Just pop it up to get this loose. And you can pretty much just feed the seat belt through that loop there. Okay, back in there, there's another pull pin. Okay, so you're going to put your screwdriver in here, and you're going to get one more tab. It's right in there that we have to pop off. Okay, now you'll just go down and be pushing down like this. See how it has some flex in it? Push down and roll it out. Now you'll be able to lift this panel all the way out. Next, we'll remove the sound deadening material here. It's just in with some clips. And there's also some styrofoam that you can remove. Okay, so with this panel removed, there's the reel, and it takes a T50 Torx. Okay, it's kind of like an Allen, but it has multiple points. It'll say T50 on it. So that bolt is right here. Okay, so just put your T50 in there, and we'll ratchet that out. Okay, with that bolt loose, it's still connected right here where my thumb is. So you just want to tilt upwards and then pull it out. And that's how you remove the seatbelt reel. Okay, just pop this cover off too, and there's a T50 Torx here if you want to take that part off. And then down here, same thing, T50 Torx. It's all the same size. That's how you can take the whole seatbelt out. We went ahead and tightened that back down, got that T50 Torx tight. Be careful as it starts to reel and lock on itself. You have to put it back at that angle and kind of play with it a little bit to get the slack back out, because the seatbelt will only release when it's going at this angle forward. Otherwise it'll lock you up. So hopefully this was a good video for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll put some links in the description of where you can buy some of these things, including the seatbelt reel and even the T50 Torx if that's what you're looking for to get the job done. Thanks guys.